Hello there, this is Luca with NativeVideo, and today we're launching our Dreamforce 2019 campaign. Dreamforce is the global Salesforce event that brings together the global community around Salesforce platform, everybody who's creating success through it. Talking about success, we have submitted our success stories and our innovation to be selected to be on stage for one of the sessions and workshops, or maybe we will be selected thanks to our very innovative clients for one of the keynotes. But regardless, we're going to be there to connect and talk about innovation through video, to talk about success through video in your Salesforce platform. So if you're going to be there, if you're planning to attend, let's get in touch beforehand so that we can schedule time together during that very busy and chaotic week. Follow the link below here, leave your email address so that we can connect and schedule some time together at Dreamforce. We are NativeVideo. We enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video. And this year, we look forward to seeing you at Dreamforce 2019.